Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first person to get notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. I love you all. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful lotion. Yes, I haven't used it on my skin though. I haven't used it on my skin though, but most of my clients, they always leave their reviews whenever they buy my stuff. So I'm going to be sharing with you this lotion, a Bonne lotion. I think this is a Bonne, right? A Bonne Miracle Spa Lotion. Yes, I do sell these products. And I have a lot of reviews when it comes to these products. So I have not tried it on my skin yet. I'm using my own handmade skincare product. So this lotion is a very good lotion according to my clients. It's very soft on the skin and it's moisturized. It's not the kind of lotion that you're just going to use on your skin and it will look as if you didn't even use anything at all, you know. But for this lotion, according to my client, they said it's very nice. And if you apply it on your skin immediately, it's not something you're going to massage. You know, there are some lotion, when you apply it on your skin, you have to massage before your skin is going to take it in. But for this lotion, once you apply it on your skin is just going to take it in once, like, no, you don't need to be massaging. I'm going to try it on my skin now so that you see what I'm talking about. And it's also a lightening lotion. It is also a lightening lotion. So my clients, they said it helps to lighten up their skin, but not whitening. They said it did not whiten their skin, but their main reason of getting this lotion is to whiten the skin because they wrote whitening lotion on it. That is why they bought it, you know. So, and I also ask them if they are also using a lightening soap and also a lightening scrub. Most of them, they are not using scrub, and most of them, they are using this Dove soap. So if you're in Europe, I believe in Nigeria, they also have Dove soap. This is a Dove shampoo. So I really cannot say. So I told them that they should try it with a lightening soap, since this lotion is already lightening the skin, but because they are using a soap that is not lightening, because Dove is not a lightening soap, it's just this moisturizing body wash, you know, it comes like a milk. Do you get it? So I told them that they should go and try it with a lightening soap, something like mulatto soap. Yes, something like mulatto soap, something like kojic acid soap, or something like turmeric soap or papaya soap. They should go and try it with this lotion for at least 1 month so that they can come back and give their full reviews. But for lightening, they said it lightens their skin. Yes, and they did not even mix anything. They did not add serum to it like, you know, normal messy thing, adding of serums, adding of tubes. No, they just bought this cream from me and they use it directly because I do sell this product on eBay. So they bought it on eBay and they left their reviews on eBay for me, like, okay, the lotion is good, but it is not whitening because it is written whitening lotion. So they bought it because it is written whitening lotion, but it also lightens their skin, but that whitening, they did not get it. So guys, you can try this lotion, and I think this lotion comes in three different types. The same lotion anyway. The other one is the glutathione milk. This one is the tomatoes extract, and this one is the lemon extract. So for me, I'm kind of confused. I really do not know which one I'm going to tell them to use, because I know that tomatoes have this natural lightening. It's not even lightening, bleaching. Tomatoes do bleach the skin, okay, but in a natural way. So I know that tomatoes do have this natural bleaching properties, and also lemon also have natural bleaching property, so I cannot tell the difference. Like, I cannot say this one works better and that one works better, because I also have a lot of people who want to buy the product from me, and they will also ask me, please, from the tomatoes and the lemon, which one they are going to get. So I always tell them, me, I don't know, just get the tomatoes, use it. Then your next order, you can get the lemon and also use it. Then you can, I don't know, but I know that it lightens the skin according to my reviews, the reviews I have on my eBay shop. So guys, you can, if you're looking for a lightening lotion, you can get this one, or you can get this one, any of them, because I know tomatoes is a great lightening stuff. Lemon is a great lightening stuff. And I will advise that you use a good soap. Like, if you want that effect, you want the lightening to be popping, like you don't want to be waiting forever before you can get that lightening effect on your skin. Like, most people, they are very, very impatient when it comes to this journey of skin lightening. Do you get? So you can use a good soap. Use a good soap, and scrubbing is the best. Scrub 3 times in a day. Get a scrub that contains malic acid, a scrub that contains salicylic acid, a scrub that contains tomatoes, a scrub that contains even lemon. Okay, you can get a scrub that contains glycolic acid. So this acid helps to exfoliate the skin. So don't be scared though, because I'm saying acid, you will think is this acid that they do pour on people's skin and it's going to burn their skin. No, this is acid in skin care. Okay, this is acid in skin care. It helps to exfoliate your skin. It helps to take out those dead skin cells on your skin. You know, if you're looking at your skin, you will be seeing some kind of crack. Do you get? For me, I used to experience this years back, and when I was still very, very young. You know, that time now, whenever they bath body wear, yes, I used to experience this skin crack on my skin. Like, I will be thinking, okay, then should I say it is Harmattan? Harmattan is always during the December time. It's not always, but for me, I used to experience this cracked skin. So since I started knowing what is called skincare, how to follow the procedure, how to take care of my skin, maintain my skin, use my own skincare products and stuff like that. You know, my skin, if I'm looking at it, I will be seeing these little holes. Do you know we have holes on our skin? Do you get? So you will be seeing some holes on your skin, then you will know that your skin is really exfoliated. Let me not cut my tongue. You will see that your skin is really exfoliated, like if you're using scrub. But if you're not exfoliating your skin, if you're looking at your skin, everything is dry. You'll be looking for those tiny holes on your skin. You know, the holes that are connected where the hairs are coming from. If you have hairs on your skin, for me, I have a lot of hairs on my skin. You know how I'll be seeing the holes there. You know that, okay, your skin is really exfoliated. So you get? So try to use a scrub that contains any acid, and don't burn your skin. No, don't just take a glycolic acid and pour on your skin, or take lactic acid and pour on your skin. No, you have to formulate it, or you get a scrub that contains lactic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, malic acid, salicylic acid, tomatoes, lemon extract. Yes, and use the scrub. If you're too lazy like me, twice in a week is okay. Normally like 3 times in a week, but if you're lazy like me, twice in a week. And because I don't want to finish the product I'm making, I'm selling them. So sometimes to use them on my skin, I'm just being selfish. Do you get? So use the scrub, use a lightening soap, and use any of this lotion. Come back, I beg, just try and use it for like 1 month. If you can come back here and drop your review, I just want to get a review like somebody who have used this with a lightening soap and a lightening scrub. The review that I got before, yes, it lightens up their skin, but not that kind, like, it's not whitening, but yeah, they wrote whitening. It contains vitamin C. It contains AHA is from lactic acid, so you can see this thing also contains exfoliating properties. Do you get? And it also contains honey. This one contains honey also. And for the tomatoes, it contains glutathione, it contains milk, and it contains tomatoes. So all these things are all lightening ingredients, and they are natural, because here there's nothing like hydroquinone here. It's just tomatoes and other stuff. It's really good when it comes to moisturize. So I'm going to apply on my skin, and we're going to see what I'm talking about. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to apply it like this, and rub it on my skin. You can see it's just like water. You don't need to like press. You can see it just goes like water, and it smells really nice. So I think I should try one on my skin and see the effect. Okay, I'm going to try one on my skin also. I will see the effect. I'm going to be trying this with my Pepper Them body wash. I have this Pepper Them body wash that can give up to 3 to 4 shades skin lightening. Not just using the soap alone and you think you have the 4 shade skin light. No, you have to also combine it with a strong lightening lotion and also scrubbing. So I'm going to be trying this with this Pepper Them body wash so that I can really see the effects. Like, I just want to get the review. Let me try my skin, because for me, anything I apply on my skin, it works fast because of the scrubbing of 18. I do scrub 2 times in a week. I know they miss out. So anything I apply on my skin, something that will take like 2-3 months for it to start working on your skin. Forget, in my own skin, give them 2 weeks. We'll just see the way my skin will be popping. So that is it, guys. If you have used this lotion before, you can also leave your comment below the description box. Tell me how it went on your skin, if it lightens your skin, glow your skin, kaput your skin. I don't know. So I don't know if there is fake in the market. I don't know if there's fake in the market anyway, but I think this is a very new product. They have not started making fake if they are going to do fake. Do you get? But immediately this product starts to be booming in the market, trust my brothers now. We'll try to do the imitation anyway. But guys, so this is it for today's video. Please try to leave your comments below the comment section. I want to have more reviews concerning this lotion. If you have used it, if you also want to try to use it and leave your comments below the comment section. And if you want to buy this product from me, yes, from Europe, UK, US, Canada, Australia, yes, you can chat me up. My number is below the description box. And yes, guys, so thanks, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.